We can hear you now. Hi, Kiko. Kiko.
I hear you.
Kiko, you can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Kiko, this is Amit.
Yeah, Amit. I know. I can hear you. Hi.
Yeah, hi. So, the entire fraternity is with you and the entire media is with you. I think they can see you also clearly. Uh, just say what you feel like, and in case you can hear any of their questions with this bad network, just go ahead. Can,
Okay.
can somebody ask him?
No,
Yeah, ball, Kiko, you give us your spiel, yeah. We want to hear you. We want to hear you.
yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
go ahead.
yeah,
Can you hear me?
yeah.
Yeah. All that I'm saying is that we've spoken about this. I mean, I've spoken to the media. The only thing that is that as an actor, I do my bit, what I'm given to do. As an actor, I'm told that this is the script and this is the idea, this is the concept. There are a lot of people involved in making a product. Okay, there are the creatives who created. There is a production house that executed, and then finally it's the actor who actually executes the thing on screen. So now there is the executor of the concept, and then there is the creator of the concept. So my only thing is that I executed something that I was given to execute. Why is the entire burden of executing something on me? The burden should be shared by everyone who came up with the idea of making this product. So initially I was a little taken aback that ये पूरी चीज का दारोमदार सिर्फ मुझ पर क्यों है? उन सभी लोगों पे होना चाहिए जिन्होंने ये प्रोग्राम को कंसीव किया, सोचा बना सकते हैं, ये सोचा कि ये बनाएंगे, इस तरह बनाएंगे, इसे इस तरह प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो ये फनी होगा. तो वो सारे लोग उतने ही इन्वॉल्व होने चाहिए इस चीज में जितना मैं हूँ. लेकिन मैं थोड़ा सा अपने आप को काफी हद तक मैंने अपने आप को अकेला पाया. That is one thing that I'm sad about and I'm not so happy about. Yeah.
On behalf of your organization, Sinta, I apologize on record.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
I mean, we tried our best, but this happened so suddenly. But fortunately or unfortunately, the entire creative community, the film and TV industry is with you in this hour of crisis that you are going through.
Right, of course. Yeah, I mean, I'm actually, see, I mean, in the future also, whenever this happens, that one actor is targeted, saying that, oh, this, then obviously there are, I am also saying that somewhere if anyone fears or anyone thinks that this product is not good enough, कई बार देखिए मैंने तो और भी इतने शोज किए हैं, कई बार एक छोटी सी बैड लैंग्वेज में कोई आपको किसी चैनल पे अगर साला वर्ड भी ठीक नहीं लगता तो उसे एडिट किया जाता है, आप उसे काट सकते हैं. किसी कलाकार ने बोल दिया, आप उसे काट दो. कभी स्क्रिप्ट में लिख दिया, लिख के बोल दिया, फिर भी एडिटिंग इज एन ऑप्शन. तो यहाँ पर अगर कॉन्फिडेंटली किसी चीज को टेलीकास्ट किया गया है तो उतना ही मतलब ओनस शुड बी टेकन by the broadcaster, the telecaster, whatever, the channel that kind of telecasted the show. So my only thing is, yeah, I mean, the onus is everybody's.
I agree with you because there are a lot of people from our fraternity, including Ashutosh Rana and Renuka Shane, Sushil Parashar, Manoj Pava, Seema Pava, Vrajesh Hirji, Sunil Sinha, and many more who you all know you worked with, who it's not that we are trying to create this as an agenda, it will happen to me or Vrajesh or Ashutosh or Lubna tomorrow. We need to take a call on this. We are just hoping, and I think on behalf of everybody collected here, We are just hoping that you are well and you are all right.
Yeah, I'm well, I'm all right. And I am not in Mumbai, I'm shooting elsewhere for a film.
Okay.
But, I'm grateful to the media and the social media and everyone who supported me in this, all you guys, because of which I think the kind of the turn of events that have happened, and like the apology was given long back also. I had the day it happened, I think uske very next day, at least on Twitter, I had apologized for this, because see, it's not about being scared or whatever. The idea being that if a section of people have been upset about something, it's never my desire. I mean, I also want to let you know about my body of work. मैं 13 साल से काम किया हूँ. The kind of work that I have done, I also make sure that everybody can enjoy it. From like a child to an old man, everyone enjoys the work that I do. And it's my intention to get smiles on people's faces. So if any chance someone even like walking in a mall also tells me ना कि वो वाला आपने जो किया था उसमें, it just hits me for once. It really hits me कि did I do anything that kind of you didn't like? So I would want to reason out with that person that why didn't you like what I did? तो वो मैं उतना अपने काम को लेकर केयरफुल रहा हूँ, और मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है किसी को हर्ट करने का. इंटेंशनली तो डेफिनेटली मैं ये नहीं करूंगा. तो ठीक है, एक बार को मुझे वही, इसलिए आई डिडंट रियली द आइडिया दैट अनइंटेंशनली मुझसे ऐसा कुछ हो गया कि कुछ लोग खफा हो गए एंड देयर अपसेट अबाउट इट. तो मैंने अपना ट्विटर पे अपॉलॉजी भी की थी, बट उसके बाद भी इन एनी केस व्हाटएवर हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट, everyone's aware.
So I am so glad you're happy. Anybody here wants to ask him a question?
मेरा एक सवाल है.
Deepak Kazer sir wants to ask you a question.
हाँ सर, पूछिए सर. कैसे हैं सर आप?
How are you? I'm fine, thanks. मेरा एक सवाल है. तुम 2 कदम आगे चलो, हम तुम्हारे और साथ हैं. बस.
तुम क्या कर दो?
तुम समझ गए होगे.
उन्होंने कहा कि तुम 2 कदम आगे चलो, हम तुम्हारे साथ और हैं.
हम किसी भी अदालत में तुम्हारे साथ जाएंगे. तुम केस करो, काउंटर केस करो. तुम
सर आप ये समझिए सर,
किसी
अब
भी थाने
आगे
में
की
लगे
अदालत
हो
का तो
गया.
मुझे पता नहीं सर, लेकिन जो पहली अदालत में मैं जाकर आया हूँ सर, वहां पर करीब
सर, बहुत बड़ी-बड़ी
तकरीबन,
अदालतें हैं इस देश में. बस इतना
नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ
तुम
सर.
इसको
आप
सोचो प्लीज.
Anyway, Kiku,
sorry, what did you say?
No, Kiku, don't get stressed on this. The entire community is behind you, and I think all of us in unison can give our support to him and say, Kiku, we are with you. Can we do that?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah. Can we all say, Kiku, we are with you?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's it,
That
Kiku.
means a lot, but I'm definitely, trust me, it means a lot, because the
it
situation I
means-
was in.
It means a lot to us that you are safe, unscathed, and of course there will be other issues, but we do not want to spoil your creative journey. But fine, I just wanted to tell you that the entire media is with you, the acting community is with you, the writing community is with you, the direction community with you, the cinematography, all the people who are genuine freelancers who are actual representatives of democratic cinema are with you, and you take care. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you
Kiku.
so much. Thank you so much.
Kiku, one sec, just hang on.
Yeah.
सर